To buy a Trezor for storing Bitcoin, start by researching the different models available, such as the Trezor One and the Trezor Model T. Compare their features, including security, storage capacity, and compatibility with various cryptocurrencies. Once you have chosen a model, visit the official Trezor website to purchase it, as this ensures authenticity and avoids potential scams. Be cautious of third-party sellers, as they may offer counterfeit products. When your Trezor arrives, carefully unpack it and follow the instructions provided to initialize the device. This involves installing the Trezor Bridge, a software component that facilitates communication between your computer and the Trezor. Next, create a new wallet by following the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through generating a recovery seed. This seed is crucial for recovering your wallet in case your Trezor is lost or damaged. So store it in a safe and secure location. After setting up your wallet, you can send Bitcoin to your Trezor by obtaining the Bitcoin address associated with your wallet. You can do this through the Trezor website or a compatible cryptocurrency exchange. To send Bitcoin to your Trezor, go to the Send section of your exchange or wallet, enter the Bitcoin address, and confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, you can verify that the Bitcoin has been received by checking your Trezor account. To keep your Bitcoin secure, always keep your Trezor and recovery seed in a safe location, and never share your recovery seed with anyone. Regularly update your Trezor firmware to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can securely buy and store Bitcoin using a Trezor, providing a reliable and trustworthy way to manage your cryptocurrency.